Electrical grounding and bonding. Electrical grounding is essential for designing and maintaining safe, reliable power systems. Done correctly, it protects people, equipment, and data. Done poorly, it can cause failures, electrical fires, downtime, and costly damage. At EFTI, we offer instructor-led live, online, and in-person grounding and bonding training that covers NEC and CE code requirements, teaching you to work safely, meet inspection standards, and avoid costly equipment downtime. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, engineers, and technicians, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical professionals. These are the electrical grounding and bonding courses we offer. NEC 250 Grounding and Bonding. Our 12-hour course is based on NEC Article 250. Learn to design, install, and maintain effective grounding systems, test for problems, and comply with OSHA 1910.304. CE Code Grounding and Bonding. Our 12-hour course is based on the Canadian Electrical Code Section 10, covering grounding fundamentals, bonding conductor rules, corrosion issues, and updated grounding electrode requirements. Electrical grounding for telecommunication applications. Our 12-hour live online instructor-led course is based on the CE code and NEC and is designed to give students the latest information on the design, installation, and maintenance of electrical grounding systems in telecommunication networks. Substation grounding. Our 12-hour course covers the principles of substation grounding, design of ground grids and conductor layouts, step and touch potential safety considerations, testing of substation grounding systems, and compliance with IEEE and international standards. Lightning protection systems. Our 12-hour course covers lightning phenomena, risk assessment and protection principles, design of protection systems for towers, structures, and equipment. We also offer specialized grounding and bonding courses for substations, high-voltage systems, oil and gas, mining, tower grounding, shipboard grounding, grounding and shielding, military standards, and lightning protection systems. Both our NEC and CE code courses address one of the most important and misunderstood sections of their codes. You'll learn to avoid mistakes, pass inspections, reduce costly downtime, and at the same time protect your systems from transient overvoltage damage that costs billions annually. Our electrical grounding and bonding training is interactive. Ask questions, solve problems, and work through real-world scenarios, whether you attend online or in person. These courses are ideal for plant electricians, maintenance supervisors, on-site maintenance teams, and electrical engineers, anyone responsible for keeping systems safe, maintained, and efficient. Students earn CEU and Professional Development Hour credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Choose the grounding and bonding course that matches your code, your system, and your industry. Train with us to protect people, prevent failures, and keep your electrical systems safe and reliable.